Hello friends, you are watching SINGH Urs. This is Top Tech News Updates from SINGH Urs. Number 1. Microsoft is updating the Windows Notepad app for the first time in years. You will soon be able to do wraparound find and replace alongside the ability to zoom into text by holding down the Control key and using the mouse wheel to zoom in and out. Number 2. Apple's back-to-school deal is again a free pair of Beats headphones. Apple has launched its annual back-to-school promotion and is once again giving away free Beats headphones to those buying a brand new Mac or an iPad Pro. Number 3. Google rolls out Morse code support for Gboard on iOS. To help people with disabilities connect better, Google has rolled out Morse code functionalities on Gboard for iOS and improvements to Morse code on Gboard for Android. Number 4. Apple launches MacBook Pro with latest chips, quieter keyboard. Starting at Indian rupees 149,900 and Indian rupees 199,900 respectively, the updated 13-inch MacBook Pro models with Touch Bar and 15-inch MacBook Pro. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 looks bold in blue and yellow promo leak. Leaker Ice Universe has tweeted a photo purportedly showing off Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Note 9. The handset is seen in navy with a yellow stylus colors previously teased in an official Samsung promo. The design of the phone is also in keeping with previous Galaxy Note 9 leaks. Number 6. After mauling telcos, Mukesh Ambani now fires at operating systems. The operating system XIAOMI that powers Jio phone taking over iOS in India and becoming the number 2 operating system after Android. Number 7. XIAOMI MAX3 reveal confirmed for July 19. XIAOMI's phablet fans won't need to wait much longer as the company has confirmed the massive MAX3 will launch on July 19. The company posted the announcement on its MIUI forum, adding a teaser image in the process. I hope you like this video and please don't forget to click like button on Facebook page and also subscribe YouTube channel SINGH Urs to see more videos.